If you feel safe to do so, go ahead and close your eyes and let's do a check-in. Let's just notice how we're feeling. So we'll do a balance series in the gentle somatic yoga style that incorporates quite a few of the standing postures that come from a traditional hatha yoga class, but we'll do it in the gentle somatic yoga way. So one of the things that we do in gentle somatic yoga is we break things down to their component parts. So we just don't go right into the pose. We do lots of preliminary things working up to the pose. So the first thing I'd like for you to do is, if you're mirroring me, then you are standing firmly on your right foot, on the right leg, and you're coming up to the ball of the left foot and then putting it down. Let's do that 2 more times. Come up to the ball, place it down, come up to the ball, and place it down. Let's build on from there. Come up to the ball, lift the leg, go back to the ball, and place it down. Ball of the foot, leg lifts, back down, and all the way down. So let's repeat that part on the other side. So now you're standing firmly on your left leg, come up to the ball of the right foot and place it down. Come up to the ball and place it down. Just being very aware of what muscles you're activating, where you're releasing. And the release is just as important as the activation. So come up to the ball of the foot, lift the leg, go down to the ball of the foot and down, up to the ball of the foot, lift the leg, place it down gently and release and shake that out. We're going to add on from here. So if you're on a mat, you might stand closer to the front of the mat so you have room to go back. So up to the ball of the foot, lift the leg, place the foot behind your back. You're still on the ball of the foot, flatten down. Up to the ball, lift the leg, down to the ball of the foot, and place it down. So we were going into a lunge or even maybe a slight warrior 1. So let's do it on this side. Up to the ball of the foot, lift the leg, draw the leg behind you, whoa, land on the ball of the foot, place the heel down, back up to the ball of the foot, lift the leg to a balance. This is known as stork position. Drop the foot down gently to the ball and place it down. Shake it out. How's it going so far? We'll keep adding on. Okay, here we go. Up to the ball of the foot. Lift the leg. Draw the leg behind. Land on the ball of the foot. Place it down. Straighten the front knee. Bend the front knee. Straighten. And bend. Now the next time you straighten, place your hands on the waist. Over into a gentle pyramid. And stand up. Gentle pyramid. And stand up. Now some of you can be going deeper into this pyramid, but this feels appropriate for me today. And now weight transfers to the front leg, up to that ball, come back to stork, to the ball of the foot, and down. Let's do the other leg. Up to the ball of the foot, lift the leg into stork, draw it back into warrior 1, place the heel down, straighten the knee, and bend into the warrior 1. straighten, and bend, and straighten, and bend. Now place your hands on your waist, straighten the knee, lean slightly forward into a pyramid pose, release standing. Lean forward into the pyramid pose, release standing. Some of you are going deeper. All the weight goes to the front leg, so you're back to the ball of the foot. You bend that knee. Draw this knee up in front for stork. Come down to the ball of the foot and place the heel down and shake things out. So we're gonna add one more thing. You all right? There we go. This is really good for balance, but it's getting a lot of the poses from a traditional hatha yoga class in a gentle somatic yoga style. I was trained in this recently and I really love it. Okay. Up to the ball of the foot. Lift up in stork. Let's open up the stork. Close the stork. Now take it back into a warrior one. Bend the knee, engage muscles, release. Bend, engage, and release. Lean over into a pyramid pose. Come up. Weight goes onto front foot, and you're trying to lift this leg into a dancer's pose. In any fashion you can. Nice. Place it back down. Weight on the front leg into stork. Open stork. Close stork. Foot down. Shake things out. How's it feeling? All right, let's do this one. Other side. Up to the ball of the foot. Lift the leg into stork. Open up the stork to tree. Close the stork. Gently go back. First ball of the foot and then flatten the foot. And release and go a little deeper into the warrior one. Straighten the front knee, hands on the waist. Lean forward. Come back up. The weight again on the front leg. Lift the back leg into some sort of dancer's pose. This is a great quad stretch. Very gently release. And if you can't grab it, you can just do that. Put the ball of the foot down, back to a warrior one. Weight forward, up to stork. Open back to tree. Up to stork. Ball of the foot. And down. Hands at the heart. Let's check in. So this is a really gentle, nourishing way to get to all the muscles in a very short time. We've worked on balance, we've worked on strength, we've worked on flexibility. When you don't have a lot of time, this is just a beautiful sort of combo routine